This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone supports iOS 26 and that you have at least 10-20% free storage. Once confirmed, back up your device to iCloud or create an encrypted local backup so you can restore settings and apps. Next, enroll in Apple's developer or public beta program if required, then download and install the beta configuration profile. Make sure to restart the device after installing the profile. This enables the update channel and prepares your phone to receive the iOS 26 update. You should connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and plug your iPhone into power before you begin downloading. Then open Settings, tap General, and select Software Update. Choose iOS 26 and tap Download and Install. The download will fetch the firmware, then the installer prepares the update. Stay on the lock screen and allow the process to run. Once the installer begins, your device may restart several times. Be patient and avoid interrupting power during this phase, since corrupt installs cause major issues. After installation, you'll be guided through initial setup screens and feature prompts. Sign back into your Apple ID and re-enable permissions you want. Make sure to update apps in the App Store, since many need compatibility updates for iOS 26, and clear problematic app caches if you see instability. If the update fails or your device is stuck, try rebooting first. If that doesn't help, connect to a Mac or PC and use Finder or iTunes to restore or use recovery mode. This preserves safer restore options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.